Funny thing, that Bobby Bonilla Day, what I'm going to talk to you about is not so much the tradition as much as it is the numbers behind the news of Bobby Bonilla Day using gematria, the easy practice of reading the letter as the number so that A is 1, B is 2, and C is 3. Now, if you follow the work, you know how big the math of the horizon has become in seeing the totality of the ritual. Of course, it's the New York Mets who celebrate Bobby Bonilla Day, and in gematria, if we focus on the first letters, New York Mets, or NYM, is a sum of 52. And in reverse, 29. When reduced, 16. Reversed and reduced, 11. So much of this math is based around the clock, if you will. There's a bright side and a dark side. Take, for instance, the landscape of the clock. You've got the most high region, the 50th minute through the 10th minute, the top of the hour. This is when all things are on the up and up. 50 versus 10, we recognize that 0 has no value, so 50, 10 is like 5, 1, 51. Bottom of the hour, things being on the up and up is not so much. And again, 40 versus 10, just left to right, 4, 2, 42. If we turn our attention to the photo above, like the bright side, so bright, in fact, you need shades. The words Rome and top and Mets all equate to 51. As far as the dark side, like the photo below, greenies, fun facts on Bobby Bonilla Day, using the initials GFFOBBD or 766152224 is a sum of 42. Top of the hour, bottom of the hour. With regard to 211, there is what is called the zero, and this is simply the point in every month where the month itself and the day have the same value, and thus you've got a difference of 0. In this stretch, all tables leading up to the 0 point will have math of 211 from table to table. For example, between 7-1 and 7-2, if you locate the leftmost number on each table, on 7-1, you have 2, and 7-2, you have 4 in that position, and the difference between 2 and 4 is 2. The next number over, the difference between 6 and 5 is 1. Next number over, you have the difference between 8 and 9 is also 1. So in succession, you have a difference between 2, a difference of 1, and another difference of 1. 2, 1, 1. This just happens to be prime number 47. Time is 47. I think you can begin to see why time must be 47 when they standardize the English language, that is the Catholic Church. It would be of priority to make time in the first most cipher 47, as we've just seen illustrated and exemplified through the mechanism of time itself, where the 47 comes about. And if you really consider things, it would take knowledge of the full 20 numbers, 10 on each side, to even entertain how the 47 is coming about in the first place. But, none of this really answers the burning question, that is, what about the math after the 0 point? Once we clear 7-7, What's the math gonna be on that side of things? Yeah, did did you get it yet? That's right, 1 and 1 and 2. Mathematics is 112. Catholicism is 112. Catholicism being the entity that gave you the language and the calendar. We've shown that to put things together properly, you really have to put together the language and the timetable. So I hope this clears up any questions people might have about why, for instance, Bobby Bonilla Day is on 7-1, or questions anyone might have had toward the mockery, the numerology, or anything in between. You guys, let's leave it right there and just pick up where we left off next time.